Hi everyone. My name is Saibo. My name is Pradesh.
My name is Banutej.
We are studying in first standard. Our school name is Sam Phenomenals High School in Chandapura branch.
Now GK concept. Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Daminabarani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka: Kuvenpu, Dara Prende, Shivaram Karan, Nashti Venkatesh Iyengar, B.T. Gokar, Yuvan Narendra Murthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India: Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odissi, Odisha, Satriya, Assam, Matti dance, Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya, Gujarat, Yakshagana, Karnataka.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
National Festival.
National festivals: January 26, Republic Day; August 15, Independence Day; September 5th, Teachers Day; October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti; November 14, Children's Day.
States and capital.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Biskut; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Impal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Islam; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Latur; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttarakhand, Delhi; West Bengal, Kolkata.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulikeshi, Krishnadevaraya; Krishnavardhana; Mayurvarma; Amoghavasha; Natakari Nayaka; Kitturani Channamma; Akka Bukka; Daya Chamaraja Odayar; Kempegowda.
Seven Wonders of India.
Seven Wonders of India: Dometeshwara statue in Karnataka; Taj Mahal in Agra; Hampi temple in Karnataka; Kona Sun temple in Odisha. Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world. Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka. Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajnagara, Chikkabalapura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Ravangere, Dharwad, Cuttack, Hassan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramanagara, Raichur, Shivamoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yagiri.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Ishanidi, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Vasha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata. Son of Lord Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
National symbol. Father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National flower.
Lotus.
National animal.
Tiger.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National fruit.
Bhagavad Gita.
Sit.
Stand.
Come.
Go.
In.
Out.
Hot.
Cold.
Up.
Down.
Happy.
sad,
Open.
close,
Good.
bad,
Big.
small,
Yes.
no,
New.
old,
On.
off,
Over.
under,
How many days in week?
7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
How many months in a year?
12. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Five sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Work is worship. Honesty is the best policy. Where there is the will, there is the way. All that glitters is not good. Face is the index of mind. A rolling stone gathers flowers, and idle mind is the devil workshop. There is no shortcut to hard work. Do or die. Gold is gold. Actions speak louder than words. A journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. Thank you.